Welcome to Viron, your Tekla Structures system environment attribute exclusion tool. I'm just going to give you a demonstration of how quickly Viron can help to clear up some of your drop-down lists from unwanted system files. The setup is fairly simple. Just select the install location of Tekla from this list here, click on accept and select the version of Tekla that you wish to exclude the items from. Select your root folder of the environments here, and then you can select your common and regional environment folders here, and then you can select your environment INI files and your role INI file here, and then you click on save, and that will store those items and keep them there for next time. You also need to make sure that in your advanced options, under the attribute file exclude list item, you have the EX exclamation mark prefix added in there. I'm just going to give you a couple of quick examples of how this can clear up some of the items that you might find in Tekla that you don't need. If you first go to your report list, there's lots of items in there and you might want to remove some of them. If you go into Viron, you can click on your environment file there. That'll bring up this list here. This list contains all of the items in that INI file, and lots of these contain directories. You can click on that button to limit it to just those that contain directories, and from there all of these items here are full of different system files. To find a report file, you can click on the search. You can also click on the options that contain files that may relate to your system. Depending on what role you've got, you may have different options. This search will then search through all of the items in this list. So then you can type .rpt and there's your list there. You'll find most of these items are in here, although you'll also find that these ones have already been excluded because they start with the other prefix. So if we just say we want to remove these ones that start with 450, you can select them, right click and exclude. And then when you go back into here, you can close that, reopen that, and all the ones that started with 450 are gone. Another handy aspect of the search feature is the ability to drag and drop. If you say want to clear up some of the items in the view properties but don't necessarily know if there's more than one extension associated with each item, you can load one and save it, and then when you go to model folder attributes, you can go into Viron, drag that file into there, and that'll find all files that are similar going by the file type. If I say select some of those, I can sort it by file name. Some of these are located in different subdirectories, but I'll just get rid of all of them. All of the ones called assembly, exclude that. And then when I go back into Tekla again, I can load the standard one, save the standard one, and then the ones that we excluded are now gone. It doesn't always update automatically, but saving loading often does that. Hopefully that should be enough to get you started. Keep an eye out for some more in-depth demonstrations of other features. And if you have any questions, feel free to post them on the Viron thread of the Tekla discussion forum. Thanks for watching.